Alright, so I am bored as hell today, so I decided that today would be a good day to test the Sony RX100VII high frame rate, and was coming up with things that I could destroy, and I figured Legos would be a good one. These are some of the options. Oh, here's the one. Here is the one. The force ain't gonna be strong enough for you today, my man. So yeah, I get that this is like gonna be a big problem for a lot of people, but I'm doing it anyway. That's original audio. That didn't work. I'm bummed. So I'm gonna try again. Sorry, Louvre. You gotta go. Not gonna lie, that was a lot harder than I thought. Problem was I was not hitting the movie button quick enough. Like, you've got to be real fast, like Usain Bolt fast. But I did get touchdown Saints Alave. I did get it to work, and now that I did, I will attempt to show you settings. Not that I'm an expert, but we'll try it. But wasted a couple of Lego sets just to see if it would work. It did. Kind of cool. Like I said, this is a powerful camera. Definitely does some wacky things. And if I only knew how to use it, right? So the first thing you're going to do is take that top knob and you're going to move it over to the high frame rate. Then you're going to come over to the menu. Go up here to high frame rating, settings, record setting 25. Your options are 50 and 25. 25 is more of a cinematic look. That's why I go for that. Frame rate, I want the 1,000 frames per second. Priority set, quality priority. You can go shoot time or quality. In this case, I'm going quality because it's going to be a fairly short, video. So I don't need to have a lot of time here. Then timing, you can go start trigger, end trigger half. I can do start trigger because basically I'm controlling the action. As soon as I hit the button, it's going to start. The movie button is going to start recording. In other situations where you might be waiting for something, you can use the end trigger, have the camera focus on the object that you want moving, and after it stops moving, you can hit the movie button and it'll start buffering the footage from before. So that's how we're going to go for now.